Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're uncovering the incredible tastes and benefits of an old favorite, cinnamon. While this is one of my absolutely favorite spices, one that I could talk about all day, I'm giving the floor over to Dr. Priya Menon, an expert in the world of spices and especially cinnamon. I can hardly wait to hear what she has for us. Dr. Priya, please take it away.
Thanks, John. I'm honored to discuss this amazing spice and its brilliant contributions to our kitchen and our health. Let's get started. This spice is pure magic. It has an almost mystical quality. Warm, sweet, a little spicy, that perfect trifecta of flavors, and it makes everything taste incredible. It elevates the simplest ingredients to something truly special. It's in your porridge, adding a touch of sweetness and warmth to start your day. What about apple crumble? That classic dessert wouldn't be the same without its signature spice and even curries. It might surprise you, but cinnamon adds depth and complexity to savory dishes too. Try adding a teaspoon of this wonderful powder to your next batch of spaghetti sauce. So delicious. Cinnamon's been around since ancient Egypt. It was highly prized and used for everything from medicine to embalming. A true kitchen legend. A spice with a story as rich and complex as its flavor. Here's the geeky bit. Cinnamon is tree bark. Specifically, the inner bark of trees from the genus Cinnamomum. The best stuff is called Cinnamomum verum, that's Ceylon cinnamon, often considered the true cinnamon. Its cousin Cassia is what you usually find in shops. It's more readily available and generally more affordable. Both are fantastic, but each has its own personality. They offer slightly different flavor profiles and textures. Ceylon is delicate and refined. It has a subtle sweetness and a more complex aroma. Cassia is bold and punchy. It's stronger, spicier, and has a more robust flavor. This spice was once more valuable than gold. It was a symbol of wealth and status. People sailed oceans for it. Explorers risked their lives to find new sources of this precious commodity. Now, we just grab it from the shop, a testament to how global trade has evolved, and sprinkle it on toast or stir it into coffee. A simple pleasure that connects us to centuries of history. It's a bit of history in your spice rack. A reminder of the spice trade and its impact on the world. Today, I'll show you the difference between the main types, so you can choose the perfect cinnamon for your needs, where they come from, and what they can do for you. We'll explore the origins of cinnamon and the unique characteristics of each variety. It's not just about taste. Cinnamon is packed with goodness. It boasts a range of potential health benefits, from anti-inflammatory properties to blood sugar regulation. We'll look at simple, tasty recipes you can whip up in no time. From breakfast to dessert, cinnamon can add a touch of magic to any meal. Get ready to fall in love with cinnamon all over again. Prepare to rediscover the versatility and charm of this incredible spice. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Ceylon versus Cassia. What's the real story? What are the key differences that set these two spices apart? Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, comes from the Cinnamomum verum tree, native to Sri Lanka. Its sticks are soft and easily breakable, with a papery texture and a light tan color, almost like parchment. It boasts a delicate, sweet, and subtly floral flavor profile, making it a truly refined spice. The aroma is gentle and inviting. Cassia cinnamon, on the other hand, comes from several different Cinnamomum species, primarily Cinnamomum cassia. And this is what you'll usually find stocked on the shelves of your local supermarkets. It's the more common variety. Cassia sticks are much thicker and harder, making them less pliable. They also have a dark reddish-brown hue, a richer, deeper color. The flavor is strong, spicy, and quite intense, delivering a powerful punch. The aroma is equally robust and warming. Ceylon is subtle, refined, and elegant. It's like the whisper of cinnamon. Cassia is bold, fiery, and assertive. It's the shout of cinnamon. The fundamental difference stems from which part of the tree is used to create the spice. Ceylon is made from the delicate inner bark, while Cassia utilizes the tougher outer bark. Use Ceylon when you want to add a gentle sweetness and nuanced flavor, and Cassia when you're looking for a big, impactful flavor punch. Cassia also contains a higher concentration of coumarin, which, in large amounts, can pose a risk to your liver health. So moderation is key. If you're incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine for its potential health benefits, it's best to opt for Ceylon cinnamon. However, for your everyday cooking needs, a small sprinkle of cassia is generally perfectly fine and safe. The most important thing is to enjoy the flavor and aroma that cinnamon brings to your dishes. Balance is absolutely key. Now that you're armed with this knowledge about the differences between Ceylon and Cassia, You can confidently pick the right type of cinnamon to perfectly complement your dish. Choose Ceylon for those dishes where you want a touch of subtlety, and Cassia when you're aiming for a bolder, more pronounced flavor. Both types of cinnamon definitely have their rightful place in a well-stocked kitchen. Just remember to check the labels carefully so you know exactly what you're buying and using in your recipes. A little bit of knowledge about your spices can go a long way in elevating your cooking. It's as simple as that. Where does cinnamon grow? In hot tropical places. Ceylon cinnamon mainly comes from Sri Lanka, where the climate is perfect. Harvesting is a skilled craft. Farmers peel the delicate inner bark by hand. The strips are rolled into quills and dried in the shade, turning that lovely light brown. No big machines, just tradition and sunshine. Cassia cinnamon is grown in China, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Its thicker bark is stripped and sun-dried, curling into hard tubes. Cassia's process is simpler, making it cheaper and more common. Still, it's amazing to think this spice travels from sunny farms to your kitchen. Every stick is a little piece of the world. Next time you sprinkle cinnamon on your morning porridge, remember the journey it's made. Its global flavor right in your cupboard. That's pretty special. Cinnamon isn't just tasty, it's a superhero for your body. Packed with antioxidants, it helps fight off cell damage. It's loaded with polyphenols, beating out even garlic and oregano in some studies. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory, soothing your body from the inside. It helps fight infections and repair cellular damage. Some studies show it may boost brain health, memory, and attention. It's also great for our heart, lowering bad cholesterol and helping manage blood sugar. Cinnamon can make your body more sensitive to insulin, a big help for blood sugar control. A small spice doing a massive job. Add a sprinkle to your day for a tasty health boost. It's simple, natural, and delicious. Incredible, right? Which cinnamon should you use? It depends on what you're making. For delicate desserts like sponge cake, custard, or poached pears, choose Ceylon. Its subtle, sweet floral notes won't overpower your dish. For bold bakes, cinnamon buns, apple and pumpkin pies, gingerbread, go for Cassia. Cassia's strong, spicy flavor stands out in rich, sweet, or savory recipes. It's perfect in curries, tagines, and stews. At the shop, check the label, Ceylon or Cassia. If it just says cinnamon, it's probably Cassia. Ceylon sticks are light-colored and layered. Cassia sticks are dark and thick. Having both in your pantry is smart. You're ready for anything. The best cinnamon is the one that suits your taste and recipe. Try both, experiment, and see what you love. I use Ceylon in rice pudding and Cassia for Christmas baking. Get a small jar of each and play around. Smell, taste, and discover your favorite. Cooking is about experimenting and having fun. There's no right or wrong. Just what makes you happy. Enjoy the journey. That's the magic of cinnamon. Let's get cooking and explore the wonderful world of cinnamon. We're about to dive into some incredibly easy and delicious ways to incorporate this spice into your everyday meals. Let's unlock a new level of flavor with just a sprinkle of this treasured spice. Cinnamon is super easy to use regardless of your cooking skill. Its warm, comforting aroma and subtly sweet taste can elevate even the simplest dishes. Try this. Toast a thick slice of bread, preferably a hearty, whole-grain variety, for extra texture and flavor. The warmth of the toast will help release the cinnamon's aroma later on. Spread with butter, using a good quality butter, or a plant-based alternative, to add richness and a smooth base for the next layers of flavor. Drizzle with honey. A generous drizzle of your favorite honey will add sweetness and a lovely, sticky texture that complements the cinnamon perfectly. And sprinkle with cinnamon. Don't be shy with the cinnamon. A generous dusting will create that classic, comforting flavor we all love. It's the perfect breakfast or snack. Quick, easy, and satisfying, this cinnamon toast is a guaranteed crowd pleaser for both kids and adults. Stir a pinch into your coffee grounds before brewing, adding a subtle warmth and spice to your morning cup for a warm, sugar-free kick. This is a fantastic way to naturally sweeten your coffee and add a touch of cozy flavor without any added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Add cinnamon to hot chocolate, one of my favorites. It enhances the chocolate flavor and creates a truly decadent and comforting drink. Or make a simple tea, perfect for a relaxing evening or a soothing remedy for a cold. Just steep a stick in boiling water with a slice of orange. The citrus notes of the orange beautifully complement the warm spice of the cinnamon, creating a refreshing and aromatic tea. For savory dishes, add a cinnamon stick to rice as it cooks, infusing the grains with a delicate and fragrant flavor. This works particularly well with basmati or jasmine rice, adding an exotic touch to your meal. A pinch in beef or lamb stew, especially during the colder months, adds depth and warmth. It enhances the savory flavors and creates a more complex and satisfying dish. Toss carrots or sweet potatoes, or even butternut squash, with olive oil, salt, pepper, and cinnamon, creating a delicious and healthy side dish. The cinnamon will caramelize beautifully in the oven, adding a touch of sweetness and spice to the vegetables. Delicious. The roasting process brings out the natural sweetness of the vegetables, while the cinnamon adds a warm and inviting aroma. Stir cinnamon into porridge, oatmeal, or any other hot cereal for a comforting and flavorful breakfast. Swirl it into plain yogurt with honey, creating a naturally sweetened and spiced base for your parfait. Add in a few dried fruits and nuts to include texture, vitamins, and healthy fats to your delicious creation. Cinnamon transforms the ordinary into something special. It has the power to elevate simple dishes and add a touch of warmth and sophistication to your cooking. It's versatile, easy, and always tasty. Cinnamon is a must-have spice in any kitchen, offering endless possibilities for adding flavor and warmth to your meals. Get creative. Try it in new dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment with cinnamon in unexpected ways. You might just discover your new favorite flavor combination. You'll be amazed at what cinnamon can do. From sweet treats to savory dishes, cinnamon has the power to transform your cooking and elevate your meals. Get it in your kitchen. Make sure you always have cinnamon on hand to add a touch of magic to your meals. That's it from me. I'll hand it back over to Dr. John now.
Thank you, Dr. Priya. Wow, what a wonder in the spice world. Cinnamon, the superstar of our spice rack. From ancient history to our kitchen, it's traveled the world. We've learned the difference between Ceylon and Cassia, two tools for different jobs. And the health benefits, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory power, heart and blood sugar support, all from a simple sprinkle. The best part? It's easy to use. On toast, in coffee, with stews, porridge, you name it. Cooking with cinnamon is about adding joy and flavor to what you already love. Don't be afraid to experiment. My challenge for you, find the cinnamon in your cupboard, give it a cheeky whiff and try it in something new. Share your ideas and recipes. Let's celebrate cinnamon together. It's a beautiful, versatile, healthy spice that deserves a place of honor in every kitchen. So go on, get stuck in and enjoy every last sprinkle. Lovely jubbly. Thanks for joining in on this cinnamon adventure. Keep cooking, keep experimenting, and keep enjoying life. See you next time.